Now what comprise to the artificial intelligence? अब एक definition हमने यहाँ पर जो पढ़ ली, तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? अभी हमने डिस्कस भी किया आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. So artificial intelligence is just not a part of a computer, even it's you so vast and require lots of factors which can contribute to it. To create a AI first, we should know how intelligence is composed. So the intelligence is an integral part of our brain, which is a combination of a reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, language, understanding, etc. So artificial intelligence सिस्टम या टेक्नोलॉजी आपको कुछ बिल्ड करनी है, तो यू शुड नो the learning, the problem solving, perception, and you should implement these things, the language understanding also. To achieve the above factors for a machine or a software intelligence requires the following disciplines. What you need: neuron study, computer science, sociology, psychology, biology, mathematics, and the statistics. So these disciplines will help you to work on a artificial intelligence. So this is a now definitely we have seen what is artificial intelligence, what is this, how it works.